Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the goal. Engagement, reach, or conversions. This guides every choice. Once you pick 3 content pillars, make a simple weekly plan and schedule 10 assets to avoid rush. Make sure to set a consistent visual style, colors, fonts, and aspect ratio for instant recognition. You're doing this now so your creative process becomes repeatable. That predictability builds audience expectation and saves time when you batch create content. You now execute. Shoot for the hook in the first 3 seconds and use a tripod or steady hand for cleaner frames. Then edit with intent, adjust exposure, color balance, and sharpen critical details. Save 2-3 presets so edits are consistent. Once done, craft a caption that starts with a hook, includes a clear call to action, and ends with targeted hashtags. Make sure to export at the highest acceptable bitrate. This preserves quality when Instagram compresses the file. You finish by scheduling or posting at peak times and writing the first comment with extra tags if needed. This improves discoverability. Once posted, monitor impressions, saves, and retention over 24 to 72 hours to learn what lands. If performance lags or the file looks degraded, troubleshoot quickly. Recheck export bitrate and ratio, try re-uploading, or clear the app cache. Make sure to iterate. Small tweaks to hooks and thumbnails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.